This insane chess puzzle will make you go crazy. So this puzzle was created more than 100 years ago in 1895 by a Spanish priest called Saavedra. So it is white to play and you can pause the video to solve. So here white plays c7, trying to promote his pawn to a queen, and black cannot stop the pawn directly right now by playing, like, for example, rook d8. So black instead tries to set a trap for white by playing rook d6 check. So here you need to be very careful and only one move works. So let's first play the moves that lead to a draw. King to b7 is a draw because after rook d7 it pins the pawn, and no matter what you do, then I take the pawn and it's a draw. So let's check another move. Let's say here you play king to c5, then again it's a draw because I go rook d1, and if you promote you lose. And let's say you do any other move, then the rook steps behind the pawn and it will be a draw once again. So here white has only good move and it's king to b5, and black continues with his trap, rook to d5 again. Here only two move works. So let's say if you play king to c4, then I again play rook d1, threatening rook c1, and no matter what you do, I will stop the pawn. As you can see, we can change the pawns and it's a draw. So the only two moves that work here are king to b6 and king to b4. So let's play king to b4. So black still cannot stop the pawn directly, so he plays rook d4 check, and king goes to b3, and here black plays rook to d3, and now after king to c2, black here plays a very interesting move, rook to c4, setting up a trap. So here, if you promote to a queen, then it's a stalemate, because after rook to c4, the queen must take, and it's a stalemate. So what you do instead, you promote to a rook, and here you threaten checkmate. So the only way to stop this checkmate is to go rook to a4, and here white has a brilliant move, king to b3, attacking the rook and threatening checkmate. So no matter what black here does, he will get checkmate. So let's say rook to a2, then it's checkmate, and if the rook moves no matter where, it's still checkmate. So I hope you like this puzzle and that you solve it. Please comment in the comments what you think and your solutions, and we'll see you in the next video.